Good day everyone, I'm Renard Charles from Grade 8 Delhi International School. Today, I'm here to present how to generate electricity without a battery. In this method, electricity is being generated using two magnets and a roll of copper wire. The copper wire which is present in between both the magnets lies between the magnet's magnetic field. Since magnets are conductors of electricity, it passes the electric current from the magnets into the copper wire and then to the wires connected to the motor which runs the fan, and then the electricity reaches the fan. You can generate electricity in this way. Over here, I'm presently using a battery as I couldn't find the perfect size magnets. You need to have bigger magnets as they are stronger than smaller sized ones. Smaller magnets do not have the enough magnetic force to generate electricity. It works the same way when you're using both the magnets. Thank you.